Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 XC solid mechanics paper. Question number 87 is a bar of length L is equal to 1 meter is fixed at one end. Before heating it, its free end has a gap of delta is equal to zero point 0.1 mm from a rigid wall as shown in the figure. Now the bar is heated resulting in a uniform temperature rise of 10 degrees Celsius. The coefficient of linear thermal expansion of the material is 20 into 10 to the minus 6 per degree Celsius, and the Young's modulus of elasticity is 100 GPa. Assume that the material property do not change with temperature. Magnitude of the resulting axial stress on the bar is dash at P in integral. So this is your bar. This is the gap is zero point 0.1 mm. Okay. So if we heat the bar so that just gap is filled, then the expansion should be equal to gap, that is zero point 0.1. So delta T be the temperature rise to fill this gap, then extension is alpha delta T L will be equal to zero point 0.1, and alpha is given as 20 in 10 power minus 6 linear thermal coefficient of expansion of the material. L is your 1000 in mm. So we'll get the expansion in mm if we take this as 1000 mm. So delta T will be at 5 degrees, equating these two, because point 0.1 is in mm, so 1000 will also be in mm. So we have to take this in mm. So this is alpha. So from this we get alpha T as 5 degrees Celsius. But here we have raised the temperature 10 degrees Celsius. So extra 5 degrees Celsius temperature rise is taking place, which will cause stress in the material, and that stress is alpha delta T E. Delta T is now 10 minus 5, that is 5. So extra is 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. So stress will be at 20 into 10 to the minus 6 into extra temperature rise into E, that is 100 into 10 to the 3, that is, so it will come out as 10 MP. So 10 MP is the answer. The magnitude of resulting excess stress on the bar will be 10 MP.